Is your PC really under your control? Or is it hiding files, wasting space and exposing your private data without you even knowing it? But don't worry. In this video, I will show you powerful CMD tricks that can help you clean, secure and supercharge your PC without installing any software. Let's turn you from a casual user into a power user. So let's get started. Windows hides some files by default, including system files or even hidden malware. But this trick shows all hidden files in any folder. So first, press Windows plus R. Type CMD and press enter. Now type the following command: cd space c:\users /your name /documents. Now replace the path with the actual location of your folder. Then hit enter. Now type the following command: dir space /a:/h and press enter. Now you will see a list of hidden files in that folder. Need to hide sensitive files quickly? You can lock any folder without using any third-party software. So first, right-click on the desktop. Then click on New. After that, click on Text Document. Now paste the following code inside: md space private attrib space +h space +s space private. Save the file as log.bat. Change the file extension from .text to .bat. Now double click on it. A folder named private will appear and hide instantly. To unlock it, create another text file and paste attrib space -h space -s space private. Save it as unlock.bat and run it. Now double click on unlock.bat file. The hidden folder will reappear. Worried about unauthorized USB access? It's perfect for blocking data theft. This disables all USB storage devices like pen drives or external hard drives. So first, open CMD as an administrator. Now type this command: reget HKLM /system /CurrentControlSet /services /USBSTOR space /v space start space /t space reg_dword space /d space 4 space /f. Then hit enter. USB ports are now disabled. To re-enable USB ports, type reget HKLM /system /CurrentControlSet /services /USBSTOR space /v space start space /t space reg_dword space /d space 3 space /f and then hit enter. Automatically deletes files older than a certain number of days. Great for cleaning up downloads, logs or temp folders. So first, open CMD. Type this command: for files space /p space c:\your /folder space /s space /m space space /d space -30 space /c space cmd space /c space del space @path. Replace c:\your /folder with your actual folder path. Now press enter. Here 30 means delete files older than 30 days. You can change it to any number. Old files will be deleted automatically. Protect files from unauthorized access. Only your user account can open the encrypted files. Open CMD. Now type the following command. Cipher space /e s colon space c colon /path /to /folder. Replace with the actual path to your folder and press enter. All files inside are now encrypted. To decrypt them later, type the following command. Cipher space /d space /s colon space c colon /path /to /folder and then press enter. Some files refuse to delete due to access errors, but this command forces them to be removed. So first open CMD as an administrator. Now type the following command. Del space /f space /s space /q space c colon /path /to /your /file.txt. Now replace with your file's actual path and then hit enter. Temp files slow down your PC and take up unnecessary space. But here's a quick cleanup trick. Open CMD. Type del space /q /f /s space %temp% / and press enter. Your temp folder is now clean. Want extra security? This method encrypts folders so that only your user account can access them. Now open CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Now type the following command. Cipher space /e space folder name. Replace folder name with your actual folder name or path. And now press enter. Your folder is now encrypted. To decrypt it later, type cipher space /d space folder name. Then press enter. And there you have it. These powerful CMD tricks can level up your Windows skills. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you. Thanks for watching.